Say gang check. Again, third video of the day. All installed. New fog lights on Hemi's head. Then we'll say I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. Big Zay and it motivated me to go and do Hemi's head. So there you go. She already right. Ready for a few other details like Big Zay. And that's it. You know. Ooh. I mean like all the way around, man. Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. Let's come with it. All your details right before you try to be worried about painting. And I'm getting the gloss black these with the matching tips at the back. So I ain't worried about those. They're not getting painted. Because I'm going to get the gloss black color ones. Yeah, boy. Stainless gloss black tips at the back. Let y'all know. I went this same damn day. Well, it don't prove the same day. But it's in an order. Sneak peek over here on Big Zay. Big Zay gleaming. So we all there. All lights and them. All the way around. Both cars. Thinking about changing the truck up a little bit though. Maybe. Hemi Zay. Ooh. I'm gonna snatch it off again. Ain't getting no thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? But alright. I've seen it. Let's see if it's blowing cold on the inside. Oh. I don't know what they're talking about, but it was cold in here. They start blowing up. It's cold in here, man. It's cold in here, too. Yeah. She ready, man. Wait for it. Say gang, we out.